Hello, welcome to another episode of Mr. How To. Today, we're going to tie a necktie. A proper necktie, when it's all finished, if you're wearing a dress coat, where it's open and you can see the whole tie, you're going to want it to finish when you tie it at about the top of your belt buckle or the middle, but no farther. And then we're going to do another tie where it'll be a bigger knot if you're wearing a sweater or a v-neck that comes down like this and you're not seeing the rest of the tie and you want like a nice big knot. We're going to do both of them today. They're both the same exact knot. So the first one, you want to put the little end of the tie, the big end hanging down low, put it right about here on your chest. You're going to take the little one, you're going to go under the longer one, just like that. You're gonna wrap it around. You're gonna go over your hand, under and through. You're gonna take it through your hand, the loop that's on your hand. It should look like that. You're going to pull it tight. Now this little one that's left over, you can use that to do all your adjustments right there. Once you get done doing your adjustments, you can pull it to where it needs to be. It'll tighten up the tie a little bit, or the knot. And as we can see, coming to about right where it needs to be, right at the top to middle of the belt buckle. Now let's say you're going to wear a sweater or a v-neck, something that comes down right there and the tie goes inside and you're not going to see any of it down here and you want a bigger tie knot. You do the same exact tie, but with this one, instead of going here, you can almost go almost to where they're about half and half, a little less than that, about right there to where it comes down maybe to your belt, and you just do the same exact thing. Take the little shorter one, go under the tall or the longer one, wrap it around your hand, take it through the loop, tighten it up. This will give you a nice big fat tie. And your sweater or your v-neck is going to hide everything else. And that's it. And then you just tighten it up and pull on that if you want to tighten it a little more and make all your adjustments. And that's it. That's how you tie a necktie.